All around the world, parents' major goal is ensuring children's health and safety, preparing children for life as a productive adult, and transmitting cultural values. High quality parent and child relationship is critical for healthy development. There is no good or bad parenting, there is no right or wrong parenting, there is no perfect parenting. It's a process to learn by lifelong. The way we treat our child, the way we say yes or no to the child, the way we dialogue with our child, this is called parenting style. In psychology, there are 4 types of parenting style: uninvolved parenting, permissive parenting, authoritarian parenting, and authoritative parenting. Uninvolved parenting. In this parenting style, parents are unresponsive, unavailable, and rejecting. Focus on their own problems and desires. Lack of emotional attachment. Lack of interest in child's activities. No sets rule or expectation for behavior. Children raised with this parenting style tend to have low self-esteem, low confidence, and seek other, sometimes inappropriate role models. Permissive parenting style. In this parenting style, parents are warm but lax. They fail to form limits, inconsistent rules, prefer to be friend to their child rather than authority figure. Children raised with this parenting style tend to be impulsive, aggressive, rebellious, dominant, aimless, and low in self-reliance, self-control, and achievement. Authoritarian parenting. In this parenting style, parents are more strict, the opposite of permissive parents. They give more importance for rules and regulation and less importance for love and compassion. In this parenting style, children are well behaved, goal driven, but benefits are limited and short lived. Children shy away from expressing their emotions. Authoritative parenting. In this parenting style, parents are nurturing, responsive, and supportive. They also form a rules and regulation but discuss with the child. They listen to a children's viewpoint. In this parenting style, children tend to be friendly, curious, cooperative, energetic, self-reliant, and achievement oriented. Let's understand all these parenting styles from an examples. Imagine a situation where the 2 young boys steal a candy from the grocery stores. How each boy's parents deal with the situation. Uninvolved parent may not be noticed. Permissive parents will say that the child is young. Authoritarian parent may yell at the child and punish severely. Authoritative parent must be return the candy and apologize to the store owner. Parents talk to him about why stealing is wrong and encourage him to not to engage in such behavior again.